I wanted to see if it was possible to create a professional looking newsletter using nothing but AI. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today using Copilot Cowork. Now, for those that are familiar with Copilot, you've probably written a prompt, searched, and summarized. But have you used the Cowork agent? So Cowork is a new concept. It's very much based on task-based activity, where you previously might ask Copilot to perform a task for you and it simply comes back and tells you how to do it. Cowork can do these things for you. It can generate files, it can send emails, and that's exactly what I'm going to combine today. I'm going to generate an HTML newsletter and then send it via email. And it's even possible for you to subscribe to this if I get enough likes and comments. Can we make a production-ready newsletter using Cowork? So if we jump down into a previously run task, I've tried to create a newsletter using a single prompt. If I click on that task, you can see the prompt that I sent Cowork and then the thought process and the research that the agent has done in order to build out this HTML file. So further down, it's designed the palette, some of the interactive capabilities, and then if I open up the HTML file that it's generated, we have a newsletter. But of course, this is something that has clearly been generated by AI. Is it possible to create something that's professional and unique? Well, I think it is, and I'm going to show you how. So no surprises, Anthropic has written some skills, and skills are a concept for 2026, something you want to learn about. It's basically a procedure for a process for an agent. It's a written instruction, a prompt, something when you ask it to perform a task, it'll go and have a look at its skills and then understand exactly how you want it done. So Anthropic have written a skill here for design thinking around front-end aesthetics, a guideline on how to create a professional looking document. So how have I used this in Cowork? I've simply copied the contents of this skill. I've jumped into Cowork and you'll see I've previously implemented that skill, and we can have a look at that task by clicking here. I've simply asked Cowork to examine and implement this skill. It's reviewed it and then it's created a skill as an MD file in my OneDrive. So next time I ask it to do anything around front-end design, it knows exactly how it's going to do it, and we won't end up with AI slop. Now back in Cowork, I have my updated prompt. I'm going to start a brand new conversation, and I've asked it to build a newsletter using that front-end design and also build it based on an email client. Again, I've asked for a perfect appearance, color, layout, etc. I could specify the colors if I want, but I want 3 predictions: the likely winner, the golden boot, and the total number of goals to be scored in the tournament. I can send this to Cowork and it'll immediately get to work. It'll start analyzing my requirements and planning out a task list so that it can do some research on the web, pull in data from various sources, and then use that skill to start building out the HTML file. Now this process I actually use at work. I have a Microsoft team and various channels that relate to content I should be reading up on. So rather than me trawl through all the channels at the end of the week, I have Cowork review all those channels, capture any bugs, features, and ideas from end users, and put together a newsletter for me on a Monday morning. It specifically goes over the last 7 days on that team, captures those 3 specific points, and generates a newsletter in the same format that I recognize. It's not only recognizable, but also incredibly useful for me to help me accelerate my learning and understanding. And it saves me an awful lot of time when it comes to reviewing content that's relevant to my role. Now with Cowork off to work, we can have a look at some of the thought process. We can simply expand those things and can see the research that it's doing. It's got various tasks, it's searching the web, and it's bringing back data relevant to creating this newsletter. Now I'll continue with this thought process, doing research until such point that it's got all the relevant information, and then it will fire our skill to create a modern, professional looking newsletter. Now we can see that since Cowork has finished its research, it's moving on to building the HTML newsletter, but something I thought I'd highlight, if I jump back into Copilot and then back into Cowork, we can see that that task is in progress. Now tasks can run independently. They can run 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on the complexity. You can run them from your desktop, you can run them from your mobile phone. So where you might have long-running processes involving research and generating documents and sending emails and organizing meetings, you can do that on the road and then simply come back, click on them, check the progress, and pick up where you left off. If CoWork has some questions for you, it'll simply pause and wait until such time that you give those answers. So whilst we wait for CoWork to complete, if I open up my OneDrive, you'll see that under Documents CoWork Skills, the skills that I've previously created are available here in various folders in the form of a skill.md. So where I've asked CoWork to create a skill, it's simply documented that process for its future sessions. If I jump back to the CoWork folder, you'll see I have a sessions folder, and these are all the interactions that I've had with CoWork where it's outputted files. Any file that it generates, it saves it in one of these folders. So right now, when CoWork is generating an HTML file, not only will it be available for me within this conversation pane, I'll be able to open that file there, I'll also have that asset created in my OneDrive, and I'll be able to use it in any future work that I do. Now, after 5 minutes of waiting, I could have been cutting the grass or getting myself a cup of tea. Our CoWork has created an HTML version. This is the first time I've looked at this newsletter. Now, it's available over on the right hand side, also at the bottom here, but let's go ahead and open up the HTML file and have a look. So here we have it, our newsletter, our extra time newsletter, 17 days until kickoff. We have some of those predictions. Spain as the winners. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Of course, I'm rooting for Scotland. We can but hope. Kylian Mbappe, he's going to be the top goal scorer and get the golden boot, quite possibly. And then 281 goals across the tournament. Now remember, there will be 48 separate nations involved. This is the biggest number of teams ever. It's done the research. It knows that approximately 2.7 goals are scored per match, and there will be 104 matches. So it's landed with 281 goals. Could CoWork get this prediction right? Then we've got some quotes from the likes of Jamie Carragher. And if we scroll further down, we have the top 5 reads. And I note that if I hover over these, they're clickable. So if I click on this one here about Messi and Ronaldo, we have that original news article that CoWork has used as part of its highlights. Further down, we have the details of friendlies, some of those stats, etc. And obviously this will become more relevant as the tournament gets underway. We've got some upcoming friendlies and then the tournament opener in the form of Mexico versus South Africa. Now it's going to be absolutely roasting, but this is quite an impressive first draft of a newsletter. And if I wanted to test out the next capability, which is to send it via email, I can simply instruct CoWork, can you now send this in the body of an email so that I can test this out as a full newsletter? Noting that my dictation has chosen full rather than full. Now my original plan was to make this production ready. I was thinking about making it available to you as my subscribers, those that have liked and commented. If you think it's worthwhile going into production and I get enough interest, then I'll do that. I'll take it through to production. I'll make it live. I've got 17 days. I think we can do that. And then we'll have a completely automated, AI generated Copilot CoWork World Cup football newsletter. And if I jump across into my email, I have that original newsletter come through with all those links, still clickable. It opens up those original news articles that have been referenced. I cannot believe I've built this newsletter using a single prompt. So finally, if I want to use this conversation as a skill because I want it to be repeatable, I simply need to ask CoWork, can you now document this process as a skill so that you can send out a newsletter based on today's content of the World Cup using the format that we've previously agreed. And all that will happen now is CoWork will document this process. It will create a markdown file that will land in my OneDrive. And then not only can I simply ask for it to generate a new newsletter, it will also follow that existing format. And if I want to modify that skill, change the colors, etc., then it's straightforward. I just describe it, ask CoWork, and then I have that repeatable procedure in the form of a skill. I can schedule it, I can make it daily, and then we have our newsletter automation. Now, of course, making it production ready, there'll be a bit more to it, but it's all down to you guys. Let me know, should we go production? And there we are live with version 1, demobird365.com/worldcup.html. It's my first preview. Like, subscribe, and catch you later. Cheers.